Most people want to start building in the springtime, just because everybody starts building in a springtime, and that is a problem. If everybody is building in the springtime, builders are busy, they charge higher prices. So I've always been suggesting to start planning your build in the summer and then get the paperwork done and build the foundation in the autumn. Actually, building a timber frame house in the winter, it's not a problem. Small frost will even help, your building site won't be so muddy. Here we are in beginning of February. This trio 75 will be completed somewhere end of March, beginning of April. Owners can move in and they can start greenery in the springtime. They can enjoy lower building prices in the winter, since builders don't have much job and they charge less. If you start your building on time, you can build faster and save some money. Of course, it really depends on your location, because somewhere in the mountains, if you have like 2 meters of snow, it can be harder to build. Most important is to get your foundation done before the frost. Even in the worst case, if you should have really bad weather, like lots of snow or something, you can store the materials next to your foundation and just wait for the weather. Right now we have quite a good weather for building. No snow and just a little bit of frost, so it's not very muddy.
3 days later.
If you time your building right, you don't have to deal with mud. It's much easier to put up scaffolding and you don't get your materials dirty. It's easier to build, and in the springtime when it all melts, you can start with the greenery. In conclusion, for good timing of your build, prepare the foundation in September, October, maybe even November, and get your kit ordered right after you've done your foundation. When you have your foundation ready and the kit is there, you can start whenever your builders are ready.